Greetings, Pod fans. It's day 25 of Pod Fajita.
Pod videos and stuff every day in April.
And today we're kind of short on time. In not very long we have to go meet up with a bunch of people and go do fun things. And, yeah. So I don't really know when I'm going to get a chance to edit this. It might be tomorrow, but, you know, it's Pod videos and stuff every day in April, not Pod puts up a video every day in April. Wording is fun. But yeah, due to the lack of time, we're handheld and fun. Are you nauseous yet? I could keep doing that, but I won't. So 25 days. Do we have like 5 videos after this? I haven't checked yet. Yes, there are 30 days in April. We're good. I checked. Good job, everyone. But yes, doing the meeting up with people. I'm really tired. I'm gonna have to go get coffee or something, because I'm tired. And coffee is good. Coffee is my favourite. Also in town there's a Starbucks. Kinda wanna go there.
Hashtag basic white pod.
But yeah, good times. I've even got a white iPhone 4. I am basic white pod. Hashtag basic white pod. I guess I'll go look on Tumblr and reblog some hilarious memes. Maybe I am basic white pod. I enjoy Starbucks. Got this white phone. I use the Tumblr. I'm so basic. Gotta become more acidic. Because acids and bases, they're like opposites. It's funny. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm sorry. I will talk to you tomorrow. Sloan.